Defining activities is an important phase in project management, as it involves breaking down the project deliverables into manageable tasks. Project managers use a variety of tools and techniques to do this efficiently. Understanding and putting these tools and techniques to use helps improve the accuracy and efficiency of activity description, resulting in effective project outcomes. This lecture will discuss the major tools and techniques for defining activities that are expert judgment, decomposition, rolling wave planning, and meetings. Let's examine each of them. Expert judgment. Seeking information and guidance from subject matter experts or experienced people is referred to as expert judgment. It is critical in defining activities by utilizing the knowledge and experience of project managers during define activity process. Consult with experts from relevant fields to share insights and recommendations. Expert judgment involves characterization of activities, where experts provide their knowledge, industry expertise, and best practices, which help in the proper characterization of activities. Expert judgment also helps define activities collectively. Organizing workshops or brainstorming meetings with specialists aid in defining activities collectively. It would encourage information exchange, inventive thinking, and a holistic approach to activity description. The second tool and technique is the decomposition. The practice of breaking down project deliverables into smaller, more manageable components is known as decomposition. It permits the conversion of complicated goals into concrete tasks. Decomposition's key components include using a work breakdown structure and creating a hierarchical breakdown of project deliverables where deliverables are divided into smaller work packages, which are then further subdivided into activities. Project deliverables are then analyzed to identify important components and subtasks. Deliverables are divided into individual activities based on their specific requirements and rolling wave planning. When project specifics are unknown or change over time, rolling wave planning is an iterative planning approach employed. It involves first outlining activities at a high level and then gradually developing them as the project advances. Important considerations include defining actions for the immediate project phase or near-term future while maintaining a high degree of long-term activity. As project specifics become clearer, this allows for greater flexibility and adaptability in activity formulation. As new information becomes available, activities are constantly refined and expanded. It supports adaptive planning and ensures that activity definitions are correct and up to date. Then we have the meetings. Defining activities because they enable cooperation, decision-making, and information exchange among project stakeholders. Important features of utilizing meetings as a tool for define activity process includes conducting dedicated sessions with appropriate stakeholders to collectively identify activities, encouraging involvement, creating common understanding, and assuring team members buy-in. Meetings are used to gain feedback, clarify needs, and address any risks or issues associated with activity description. Meetings facilitate effective communication and alignment among members of the project team. Meetings are used to make important choices on activity definition, such as sequencing, resource allocation, and critical route identification. Finally, meetings provide a forum for stakeholders to explore possibilities, weigh trade-offs, and achieve an agreement. Using expert knowledge, breaking down deliverables, responding to changing project specifics, and encouraging collaborative conversations or conversations all help to ensure accurate and successful activity description. By properly utilizing these tools and procedures, project managers may lay a firm basis for project execution, resulting in effective project outcomes. See you in the next lecture.